What's going on YouTube? Chicks here from Chicks Tech Reviews. And today I bring you the ultimate vlogging setup for your GoPro Hero version 5.6 or the latest 7. If you have ever considered vlogging with your GoPro, then here is a very useful kit which I've put together, and it consists of the latest Ulanzi version 2 GoPro Hero case. So here is a case. You remove the back, you're putting your GoPro inside there. Then you have space for the 3.5mm GoPro adapter. You've got space at the top for a microphone and a mount at the bottom for your selfie stick or tripod. I will show you towards the end of the video when I put it all together to show you how good it is. Now you're also going to need the official GoPro 3.5mm microphone adapter. So you will need this. Any external microphone will do as long as you have a 3.5mm connection. So I'm just using the BOYA MM1. And it's got the wind guard with it. Any selfie stick. I'm using the Benro MK10. I really like this selfie stick. It extends very far and it doubles up as a stand, and you also have a Bluetooth remote built in. So awesome selfie stick. And last but not least, you're going to need your GoPro. Now this is my ultimate vlogging setup for the GoPro Hero 5, 6 and the latest version 7, which I have here in my hands. So now I'm going to quickly put all of this together to show you how it looks. So you're putting the adapter through the bottom of the case exactly how I just showed you. Now you pick your GoPro up and you have to actually open the latch where you got your ports for your USB-C and your HDMI. Now you're actually going to have to pull this off very carefully. So what you do is, first of all, slide it upwards. So you see this little piece, make sure it's fully slid outwards, lift it up, and then you're basically pulling. You can see the connection there. It does come off quite easily. You're not using a lot of force to remove this connection, but what you do need to make sure is you lift it up first and then pull outwards and it will come off. So now we're going to put the GoPro in. So if we just press this little button over here and slide the back door out, pop your GoPro in and slide the door back in. So now your GoPro is nice and secure. It's not wobbling around or anything like that. Now here is the USB-C cable from the adapter at the bottom. You're plugging that directly into the main USB-C port on the GoPro. Now at the bottom of the adapter on the other side, you will notice the USB-C port and a microphone jack. So here is our microphone, and I'm going to slot it at the top and plug it right in. So we've got our external microphone set up. Next up, you grab your tripod or your selfie stick. So it's a universal connection, so this will fit on any tripod or any universal mount that you might have lying around, and boom, you're ready to go. Now look how mean that looks. It's no longer a small little action camera. Absolutely amazing. And you've got full access to the touchscreen on the back, so you can play around with the settings, and you have yourself an ultimate vlogging setup for the GoPro Hero 5, 6 or 7. So if you were walking around and you were vlogging with this kit, you're going to feel very comfortable, and at the same time you're going to get some great footage, and more importantly, because of the external microphone, you're going to get the best audio possible. So I have messed around with this a few times on a few outings, and I have to say I really like how professional this looks. And if you're seen walking around with a camera like this, it's certainly going to look like you mean business. And with that being said, all relevant links are in the description box below. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a brilliant day. See you in the next one, guys.